how to use KidsTube. After installation is complete, click on Open. Now choose the primary language. Next, set a 4-digit PIN code. Again, enter the same PIN code to confirm. The initial setup is complete. Now, you need to add some videos from YouTube that your kids will watch. Let's see how you can add videos. Directly click on Add Videos, or click on Setting icon from top right corner. Now enter the 4-digit PIN that you set earlier. Click on Verify. You will see Setting page if your PIN is correct. You can add a single video from YouTube, or all videos of a channel, or videos by searching on YouTube. Let's continue. Now, you will see how to add all videos by searching on YouTube. Click Add Videos. Scroll down to the bottom to add more videos in the search list. Click here to add all videos from this list. All the videos from this list are added. Now, you will see how to add a single video from YouTube. Search the video that you want to add. Then, click on the video. Once it is playing, click here to add this video in the KidsTube app. Next, you will see how to add all videos of a YouTube channel. Click here. Search the channel, or any video from the channel. Click on Video, and then click on Channel Name. Click on Videos tab to see the video list. Now, scroll to the bottom to see more videos in the list. Scroll more to reach end of the list. Once all videos are loaded, click on here to add all videos from this channel. If you found that some videos is not good fit for your kids, you can remove those videos from app. Open Setting page. Click on Manage Videos. Search the videos you want to delete. Click on Trash icon to delete the video. You can also delete all the videos from the app. Click here. Then click Confirm Delete. All videos are deleted. You can also see what videos your kids watched and when from Watch History. You can clear Watch History by click here. Next, when your kids open the app, they can see all the videos that you added in the app. They can only watch videos that you added in this list. They will not watch any unwanted videos from YouTube. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you be the best parents.